A lot of people keep trying supplement after supplement for weight loss, metabolism issues, and stubborn belly fat, and nothing seems to work. Either the product gives zero results, or worse, side effects like headaches, jitters, anxiety, or digestive issues. So if you're frustrated, suck, or tired of wasting money, I get it. But recently, I discovered a new product that's getting a lot of attention. Because unlike most supplements, people are reporting real results, more energy, fewer cravings, and visible changes without extreme dieting. It's called Mitolyn, and before you buy it, there are 3 things you must know, and the third one is a deal breaker. So stick with me for the next few minutes. So first, what is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a newly launched metabolism support supplement designed specifically for people who struggle with slow metabolism, hormonal weight gain, and low energy, especially after age 30. Instead of just suppressing appetite like many cheap supplements do, Mitolyn works differently. It focuses on the mitochondria, the energy center of your cells. When your mitochondria slow down, you gain fat, feel tired, and your body stops burning calories efficiently. Mitochondria's formula is designed to support mitochondrial function, which many users say helps them feel energetic, lighter, and more in control of cravings. The first thing you must know, Mitolyn is not a magic overnight pill. Real users report that the first noticeable change is energy improvement, usually within 3 to 7 days. Then comes appetite control, which makes sticking to meals easier, without forcing yourself. And after consistent use, usually 2 to 4 weeks, people are reporting noticeable reductions in belly fat, bloating, and stubborn areas. So this product is for you if you want real, steady results, not fake overnight claims. Second thing, Mitolyn has no harsh stimulants. That means no shaking hands, no anxiety, and no energy crash. Many weight loss supplements rely on caffeine or stimulants, which force the body to run artificially. Mitolyn does not work like that. Users report cleaner energy, better mood, and better sleep, which is the complete opposite of typical fat burner side effects. So if you've tried supplements before and stopped because they made you feel weird, this one may be worth trying. Now, the most important part, number 3. Only buy Mitolyn from the official website. There are already fake bottles appearing on other platforms like Amazon, eBay, and third-party stores. Those do not offer the guarantee or bonus gifts, and you risk getting a weak or fake formula. On the official website, right now, they're offering launch discounts up to 60% off, plus bundle deals where the 3-bottle and 6-bottle packs include free bonuses and sometimes free shipping depending on location. So here's my final recommendation. If you're serious about improving metabolism, supporting energy, reducing cravings, and finally seeing progress, then Mitolyn is worth trying. Most people get the best results with 3 bottles or more because consistency matters. I've placed the official link in the description so you don't get scammed or miss the launch pricing. Click it, check availability, and grab the discount before it expires. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe